Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you the most reliable way to connect the Hollyland Lark M2 to newer GoPro models. First, mount your GoPro into the GoPro Media Mod. Make sure the camera is fully seated inside the frame and the USB-C connection is properly attached. Close the latch so everything is secure. Next, take the receiver from your Hollyland Lark M2 kit. If you are using the camera version, it includes a 3.5mm TRS cable. Plug one end of that cable into the output port on the Lark M2 receiver. Then plug the other end into the microphone port on the GoPro Media Mod. Push the cable in firmly so the connection is solid. Now power on the Lark M2 transmitter and receiver. They should pair automatically. You will see stable indicator lights when they are connected. Clip the transmitter onto your shirt or attach it where you want to capture audio. Turn on your GoPro. On the screen, go to Preferences, then Input and Output. Find the microphone input setting. Set it to powered mic or line in. This allows the GoPro to properly receive audio from the Lark M2 receiver. Thanks for watching.